Alright guys, back to this Turkish lesson here. Alright, so leading off from before, these are some more examples for the future tense, okay? So, as I was explaining to you before about the yumuşak G, the silent G, in the edchek, okay, which is the future tense, that yumuşak G will be used only if there's a vowel following it. Okay, so let's see here. Example: geleceğim, I will come. Geleceğim, I will come. From gelmek, to come, right? Hope you guys see that. Gelmek. Okay. So gelmek. So we drop off the mek, just like the ebil we did before, and add etchek. So but here will be geleceğim because there's an I following that. All right. So I will come. Okay. You will do it. Yap, from yapmak. We had before. Yapmak. Drop off the mak and add the etchek. Now it's vowel harmony again, so it's going to be achak. So yapacaksın, you will do it. Yapacaksın. Now see, there's no yumuşak G here because there's a consonant following it. So it's going to be k instead of yumuşak G. So yapacaksın. Okay. You will go. Gitmeyeceksiniz. So from gitmek, to go, get gitmek, and then we'll drop off the mek and add the etchek. And here it's gonna stay ed because of the e there. So edeceksiniz, you will go. Edecek. So we have etchek, we have achak, and then we have etche. Okay, now I will eat. Yem, from yemek. Okay, so yemeceğim. We have etche again because there's an I after the yumuşak G. Okay, so that's essentially what you're going to do for the future tense. It follows the same rules, pretty much the same as the able construction. Okay, now I have past tense here. I figured I should go ahead and include that in here since I only had a few more examples for the future tense. So past tense, essentially it's D. That's what it's going to be, D. Okay. So for example, Turkey'ye gidiyorsunuz. Have you ever been to Turkey? Okay. So another thing I should bring up is whenever it's a proper noun or whatnot. Like in this case, you have like a country of Turkey. You have to. That's why this apostrophe is there. Put that there, and you always need that. And then it's ed towards, but you have two vowels, so we put the yet. Okay. So D is here. So gitmek, from gitmek, you want to add the D because we're talking about you here. So it's the I-N. So team. Now why is it T instead of D? Because of E's pronunciation. We wouldn't write it like this. We wouldn't write it like git. I mean, how hard would that be to pronounce, to enunciate? You won't write it like that. So that's why they just double the consonant. So gittin. And we already talked about our question, mi, yorusunuz, me. Okay? So that's the past tense, team. Okay, next example. Türkçem pratik yapmak için gidin. So in order to practice my Turkish, I've come here in order to practice my Turkish, pretty much. So again, D here. I came. Gidin. Okay. Next example. Evimde Türkçeyi öğrendim. So I learned Turkish at home, at my house. So from öğrenmek, past tense. I learned or studied. Okay? So, next example. Bugün eşimle iyi çeki yedim. So today I ate food with my wife. Okay? So from yemek to eat, dim. I ate, dim. Okay, so essentially it's D for the past tense. Now if you have a situation like this, when you're gonna have two consonants, then you might wanna you just go ahead and double the consonant, like what happened here, T. Okay. So yeah, I hope everything makes sense to you guys. That's pretty much it. That's all we had in the dialogue. I decided to just go ahead and make lessons in the language I studied to show you, share the knowledge I have in that language. Okay, not only speak, but show you guys some grammar stuff, some lessons, for, just in case you plan on learning the language one day. So that's what you want to do here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's what you're going to do with that. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email and or send me a message over on YouTube, and I'll reply as soon as I can. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the lesson, and like I said, if you have any questions, just send me a message. Alright, I'll see you guys. Oh, I have another video. It's going to be about the resources I use for Turkish, so that's coming up now. Okay, so I will see you guys shortly.